Hello, digital explorers. We're Won Connect CIC, a non-profit dedicated to empowering you with essential digital skills. We believe everyone deserves to navigate the online world confidently and safely. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of online privacy, clearing your cache and cookies. It might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it step by step. Think of this as spring cleaning for your web browser. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your privacy and enhance your online experience. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's learn how to take control of your digital footprint. Imagine walking through a park, leaving a trail of breadcrumbs behind you. Each step you take leaves a small piece of your journey. That's kind of what happens when you browse the internet. Every click, every site you visit leaves a trace. Websites store little bits of information called cookies on your computer, tracking your browsing habits. These cookies remember your preferences and activities. Your browser's cache remembers images and other website data to load pages faster on your next visit. It's like a shortcut for quicker access. While convenient, this can pose privacy risks. Your personal information can be exposed. Clearing your cache and cookies is like sweeping away those digital breadcrumbs. It's a fresh start for your online presence. It helps prevent websites from tracking your online activity, keeping your browsing habits private, showing you targeted ads based on your browsing history, which can feel intrusive, and slowing down your browser over time. A cluttered cache can make your device sluggish. Remember, taking control of your data is empowering. Regularly clearing your cache and cookies can enhance your online experience. Ready to give your browser a privacy makeover? It's easier than you think. Here's how to clear your cache and cookies on the most popular browsers, step by step. First, let's start with Google Chrome. 1. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. 2. Go to Settings Zone. Privacy and Security, clear browsing data. This is where you can manage what gets deleted. 3. Choose All Time for the time range to ensure everything is cleared. 4. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the main culprits for tracking. 5. Click Clear Data and you're all set. Your browsing history is now clean. Next, let's move on to Mozilla Firefox. 1. Click the three lines in the top right corner. 2. Select Settings, Privacy and Security. This is where you can control your privacy settings. 3. Under Cookies and Site Data, click Clear Data. This will open a new window. 4. Check the boxes for cookies and site data and cached web content. These options will clear most of your tracks. 5. Click Clear and breathe a sigh of privacy relief. Your Firefox is now clean. Finally, let's tackle Microsoft Edge. 1. Click the three dots in the top right corner. 2. Select Settings, Privacy, Search and Services. This is where you can manage your privacy settings. 3. Under Clear Browsing Data, click Choose What to Clear. This will open a new window. 4. Select All Time for the time range to ensure everything is cleared. 5. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the main items to clear. 6. Click Clear Now and enjoy a cleaner, faster browsing experience. Your digital tracks are now cleared. Boost your online privacy. Even further, clearing your cache and cookies is a great first step, but here are more tips to fortify your online defenses. Use a VPN. A virtual private network encrypts your internet connection, shielding your browsing activity from prying eyes. This means your data is safe even on public Wi-Fi. Be mindful of what you share. Personal information can be used against you if it falls into the wrong hands. Think twice before sharing personal information online, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. Review app permissions regularly to ensure your data is protected. Limit the amount of data apps can access on your devices. Only grant permissions that are absolutely necessary for the app to function. Do they really need to know your location or contacts? Stay informed and take control of your privacy settings. Keep up with the latest online privacy news and best practices. Staying informed helps you adapt to new threats. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to protecting yourself online. The more you know, the better you can safeguard your personal information. Share your tech journey with us. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried clearing your cache and cookies? What other digital skills have you been learning? Share your experiences on our website or social media platforms. Your stories inspire others and contribute to a more digitally confident community. Learn and grow with Won Connect CIC. Empower yourself with essential digital skills and unlock new opportunities. Our comprehensive training programs cover a wide range of topics, from basic computer skills to advanced digital marketing strategies. Our services: digital skills training. Gain expertise in essential digital tools and techniques. Community outreach. Benefit from our commitment to serving underserved communities. Expert guidance. Learn from experienced trainers and mentors. Affordable courses. Access high-quality training at affordable prices. Our products, digital resources. Explore our collection of ebooks, templates, and other valuable resources. Website design and maintenance. Let us create and maintain a professional website for your business. Join Won Connect CIC today and start your journey towards digital success. At Won Connect CIC, we're passionate about making digital skills accessible to all. Visit our website to discover more tips, workshops, and resources to enhance your online privacy and beyond. We value your feedback. Let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover or how we can improve your experience. Together, let's create a safer and more inclusive digital world.